What documents are you going to need to sponsor your spouse for permanent residency in the United States if they're not a US citizen? Here's some tips. You're going to need proof that your spouse entered the United States legally. That usually comes in a Form I-94, which you can get online with a copy of your spouse's passport that they use to enter the United States. You're going to need proof that you're a US citizen, so gather your birth certificate or your US passport as proof that you are a US citizen. You can also use a certificate of naturalization if you are a naturalized US citizen rather than born in the United States. You're also going to need to gather your last 3 years of taxes to prove that you can keep your spouse above the poverty level. You'll also want to gather documents that prove that you're in a real relationship. Things like your mortgage and lease agreement to prove that you're living together, bills in both of your names, like the phone bill, utility bill, or other bill that goes to the joint address where you're living together. You'll also want to gather some photographs of the two of you together with various people in various times of the year to show that you are in the world and acting as a married couple. With these documents and materials, we can help you prepare a solid marriage-based permanent residency application that will protect you and your family and allow you to stay together permanently in the United States and work for any U.S. employer and travel without worrying about visas. If you need help with your marriage-based adjustment, we can help. Contact World One Law Group today.